Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove vocals from a song in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Bandlab application. After that, you can of course go on Google and type in bandlab.com if you want to use the web. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music, and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. And in the top, we have the search bar. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove vocals from a song in Bandlab. So, first of all, launch the Bandlab on your computer or mobile device, as I told you in the start. Then go to Create tab and select Splitter. Then tap the plus button and select the song you want to, of course, go and edit. Splitter will automatically separate the song into different themes: vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments. Then use the mute button to mute the vocal track. Once you're happy with the mix, tap export button to save the new file without, of course, the vocals. And that is that. You have just to go and follow those 6 steps. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.